YouTube is one of the greatest classrooms in the world if your child knows where to look. And as a child psychology expert, one question that I get asked all the time is which YouTube channel should my child watch? So I'm sharing top 7 YouTube educational channels that your child can watch in the age group of 10 to 15 years. And these channels don't just increase knowledge, they also increase curiosity. And curiosity is where intelligence begins. So let's dive straight in. Number 1 and the most amazing channel is TED Ed. TED Ed is perfect because it answers so many questions like why do we dream? How does memory work? Why do people procrastinate? What happens inside the brain? History, science, philosophy. Every video is beautifully animated and only around 5 to 10 minutes long. It encourages children to think instead of simply memorizing. Channel number 2 is Kurzgesagt in a nutshell. It is one of the most beautiful animated educational channels in the world because यहाँ पे बात होती है about space, human body, artificial intelligence, climate change, biology, future technology. And what I love the most is that every video encourages children to be more curious and to ask more questions. Perfect for future scientists and inventors. Channel number 3 is Crash Course. Think of a school, but very interesting school. Because Crash Course pe difficult subjects are explained in a very fun and engaging way, where your child can learn history, psychology, biology, economics, physics, chemistry, literature, and it's one of the best ways to make boring subjects very exciting. Number 4, Big Think. It's my top recommendation. It is best for critical thinking, psychology, leadership, success, decision making, where children learn from world-renowned experts about the brain, human behavior, success, artificial intelligence, leadership, happiness, productivity. And why I love it? Because it teaches children how to think and not just what to think. Number 5 is National Geographic Kids. Well, we all know about the channel National Geography, right? But perfect for children who love nature and animals, where they learn about wildlife, geography, exploration, oceans, dinosaur, conservation. And this channel actually helps children develop respect for nature while learning incredible facts about our planet. Number 6, Khan Academy Kids, which my son also uses. It's one of the best learning platforms in the world. It includes subjects like math, science, economics, computer programming, grammar, history. The lessons are explained clearly and children can learn at their own pace. Learning becomes less stressful and much more enjoyable. And number 7, Mark Rober. Well, if your child enjoys fun science experiments and engineering, this channel is the best. Because Mark Rober is a former NASA engineer who creates incredible videos using science and creativity. And the topics included here are engineering, robotics, science experiments, innovation, problem solving. And children learn an important lesson that science isn't boring. In fact, science is very, very interesting. So parents, I'd like to tell you all that please don't think that educational content is boring. And don't force your children to watch something that they are not enjoying. Start with their interest. If they love space, then give them something to watch related to space. If they love animals, give them something to watch related to it. So gradually open the doors to educational learning. They can't go directly from entertainment to education just because you saw this video and just because you started thinking that, oh, my bacha is only watching entertainment videos, now I want him to watch education. Gradually transit them from entertainment to education. This week, just start with a small plan of 30 minutes where you're co-watching. 30 minutes of co-watching any educational video where you're watching together, you discuss together, you learn together. Because children don't just copy what we tell them, they copy what we value. If I value educational content, my son subconsciously will learn that and will eventually start valuing it. And if learning becomes exciting at home, it stays exciting for life. And trust me, parents, the world your child is growing up is changing faster than you can even fathom. And tomorrow's successful children won't be the ones who score the highest marks. They'll be the ones who stay curious, who ask questions, who solve problems, who continue learning long after the school ends. And that's why I truly believe that the greatest gift we can give to our children is not just good education, it's the love for learning. So tell me in the comments, which of these channels do you think your child is going to watch first? And start slow, but start covering all the channels gradually. Every week, I make content on child psychology, child brain science. And if you think that this video is going to help any other parent friend of yours, please do share with them. And please do let me know if you have any questions in the comments. So I'd personally answer to them, help you with more science backed answers. Thank you very much.